So now let us zoom into the world of mathematics. Here you can clearly see that there are lots and lots of things only in this single word, namely mathematics. But some of them have a common property, that is they are discrete, like mathematical logic, linear algebra, set theory, combinatorics, etc. So to understand the meaning of this word more clearly, we have to take an example. Suppose we have 3 points representing first 3 natural numbers, that is 1, 2 and 3, and here we have our friend rabbit who wants to reach to the point 3. For that he has to jump these points because these points are not connected, therefore it is discrete, that is not connected. Let us again take another example in which we have 2 points, namely 1 and 2, and here our friend has to walk rather than jumping because these points are now connected with infinitely many real numbers such as 1.3, 1.3457, 1.0023 and so on, which was obviously a long mile to achieve for our friend. There are some major branches of discrete mathematics like combinatorics, graph theory, number theory, probability theory, set theory, Boolean algebra and binary trees. Now let us look at some of the real life applications of discrete mathematics. Graph theory, as seen here, is just a representation of real world situation in the form of graphs. This theory is even used in Google Maps when you want to find the shortest possible path from your home to your destination. Even we all are linked together in a web of internet, which is here represented in the form of a graph showing the dependency of each person. And we use discrete mathematics when you need to store numerical values in your database because you are not sure about the values unless you are an astrologer. Therefore, again there are chances to get discrete inputs. And it has a big role in computer and human relationships because computer can only understand the language of zeros and ones, which are discrete numbers. Another application is of digital clocks, where you can see sharp transitions from one time to another, which is not the same case with an analog clock where it continuously covers all the points from 1 to 12. And you have even noticed this encryption message in WhatsApp before starting the chat. And my friend, this is even an application of discrete mathematics. Even what you think logically about a statement or a scenario is a function of discrete mathematics only. With it, you can find the possible combinations, like here we have 4 chairs and 4 people, and with the help of discrete mathematics, we can find that there are 24 possible combinations for this case. At last, I will conclude by saying that if you want something different, then do something different because the world is continuous, but the mind is discrete. Thank you so much.